My daughter Lois wasn't supposed to be here. That's because I am infertile. I'm Dr. Jennifer Hintzsche, the CEO and founder of PherDal Fertility Science. At 32 years old, I walked into a fertility clinic after having to wait 12 months in order to see a specialist. That same day, I walked out with a $10,000 loan application and a diagnosis of unexplained infertility. I was told that I needed to undergo an invasive and expensive clinical procedure to get sperm closer to the egg, called intrauterine insemination. Instead, I used my Ph.D. in biology and researched a non-invasive option that had the exact same live birth rate as what I was being offered in the clinic. The problem is that there was nothing that would allow me to do this safely and with the same sterility as the clinic, but in the privacy of my home. That's when I decided to take my fertility into my own hands. After 16 months of infertility and in just the second month of use, we conceived our beautiful daughter Lois using our own medical device. That device is the PherDal Kit. PherDal is the first and only sterile, FDA-cleared at-home insemination kit. PherDal is for anyone who is struggling to conceive or has chosen not to conceive through intercourse. It comes with 3 syringes and 3 jars, all individually wrapped and sterilized. The secret to PherDal's success rate is our patented sterility. As the only sterilized medical device for at-home insemination, we ensure that we're not disrupting the vaginal microbiome, which has been directly linked to infertility. PherDal lets you literally take your fertility back into your own hands. This is truly as close to at-home IUI as you can try. We measure success here in lives created. I know that trying to conceive is already hard enough. With PherDal, you're not just getting a medical device, you're getting an entire community and support system. If you have any questions at all, simply reach out. You'll get answers directly from me. I hope this gives you the same miracle that it gave me.